Welcome to Excellence in Excel. I'm Nick Wong, and in this video we'll focus on how you can remove any conditional formatting you set on your page or in your tab. So imagine right now we have some conditional formatting here. It's all very nice. However, we want to remove a specific conditional formatting because it should not be there, or you made a mistake and so you want to remove that. So how to do that? Well, conditional formatting is to highlight items. However, how can you remove a conditional formatting such as this one here? In this case we have here, it will give a symbol depending on the value. If it's a low value, it will get a X symbol, and if it's a high value, it becomes a check mark. But maybe we don't want this, or this is not what we really want. So how can we remove this? Well, very easy. With conditional formatting, there's an option here to remove any conditional formatting. So let me show you. Step 1, select all of these items here that you want to remove the conditional formatting from. Once you did that, click on the home panel if you're not on there. And once you're on the home panel, you can see here conditional formatting. Select this, and you can see here there's some options. You can clear rules. Yes, you can clear rules from selected cells. In this case, that's what we have. We can clear rules from the entire sheet. In this case, we don't want this. If we do this, we have here 3 different formatting statements, conditional formatting. We don't want these to be impacted. So we only want to remove this one. So we can select here on clear the selected cells, and there you are. Instantly, it works. So this is an option how you can do it. But imagine you have, for example, here a conditional formatting. So I'm going to put in a conditional formatting. Let's say we're going to give it another bar chart of blue. And you can see now there are 2 conditional formatting. So how can you remove one without removing anything else? So maybe you don't want to damage the formula except for only removing this mistake, the mistake you made. Well, very simple. You just click on this. You have your conditional formatting, and then you select your manage rules. So as you can see right now we have 2 rules active. And what we want to do is we want to just only delete this. So how do you delete this? Very simple. Just click here on the minus button, and there you are. So now we've removed just a single rule specifically. And that's how you can do it. Once you're done, click OK, and there you are. Everything works exactly as it should. And this is how you can remove specific conditional formatting in your Excel sheet. So if you like tips and tricks about Excel and how to become better in Excel, check out the link below. In there we have a wonderful Excel course that teaches you how to become better in Excel. And maybe you have a question regarding to anything in Excel right now. Just make a comment and I'll make sure I will follow up to you.